Hello everyone, I am Nandan. I will be discussing about Asana web and mobile application in this tutorial. Asana is web and mobile application designed for teamwork without email. The main focus is to plan and manage projects and tasks online without email. Asana is software as a service. Asana is free for teams up to 15 people and up to 5 projects. Asana launched organizations which makes companies to use Asana at high scale, that is from hundreds to thousands of employees. Asana announced a new feature called Inbox that aims to help teams minimize the use of email. Asana is integrated with several popular productivity tools including Dropbox, Evernote, Google Drive, Harvest, Jira, Zendesk, and even GitHub. Companies that use Asana are Airbnb, Dropbox, Discuss, Foursquare, Pinterest, Stripe, Let's Rent, and Uber. Asana workflow is as follows. Each team gets a workspace. Workspaces contain projects. Projects contain tasks. Now we'll see Asana in detail. Now I will log in into Asana. So this is the Asana application. The application is organized into three panes. The left is the list of workspaces and projects in current workspace. When you add people to your team's workspace, they get access to all of the projects. In the center is the name of selected project and checklist of tasks in that project. Expand the right pane to edit the task details like assignee, due date, and comments. Now we'll see each of these in detail. Let's create a base called M Solutions. So this is the new workspace called M Solutions. Now I will add members to the workspace. Now create a project called website launch. Now we'll add tasks to the project. First we'll create a heading by typing colon at last. So this is a heading called design phase. In this we'll add some tasks like design prototype. Create one more task, change images. Now add another heading called build phase. In this we'll add few tasks. Expand the right pane to edit the tasks. Clicking on unassigned, we can assign the task to the members. We can set the due date. We can also add subtasks. By adding tags, we can create filtered views of tasks across project. So here we get a filtered view. Also we can attach some files related to the tasks. One can share support for the tasks. Clicking on task actions, we can do following things like delete task, delete a selected subtask, or make a copy of a task, print or merge the duplicate task. For example, if we click on make a copy of design prototype will be created. We can merge duplicate tasks. So copy of design prototype was merged as a duplicate of design prototype. We can also add followers, which is like CCing someone in an email. When we comment on this task, it will be emailed to all of the followers, means it will be shown in the inbox of the followers. And the followers who comment on this particular task, their comments will be shown in my inbox. Now click on my tasks. So first I have to assign some tasks to myself. So here it shows my tasks that are required to be completed. By clicking on view tasks to do, we can view tasks in project priority order or due date order. My inbox shows comments related to the tasks. Clicking on dashboard, one can add multiple project summaries. Also, by clicking on overview, let's say now we'll click on overview button, so we can see the overview of the project graphically. Now we'll integrate Asana with GitHub. So log in into your Asana and GitHub accounts. In GitHub, create a new repository. Now go to settings. There will be an option for webhooks and services. A drop-down list showing various tools that can be integrated with the GitHub will be visible. Select Asana. It will ask for the token. So now go into our Asana account. Click on account settings. Click on apps, API key. Copy the key and paste it in token section of GitHub. Now click on add service. So now Asana is integrated with GitHub. So this was about Asana web application. Thank you.